For this video, I'm talking about engagement, and it can be really challenging for me to engage sometimes, particularly when I'm in a sense of overwhelm. I can get stuck in that reflect area of the 5 stages of mastering workflow and just sit there and become more and more overwhelmed as I stare and look at and sort of tinker with my lists. And then I need to go to a meeting or I need to leave and run an errand, and that time that I had to actually engage is gone. So GTD says we should do a 2-minute task as soon as we can. But for some of us, we don't have an internal sense of what a 2-minute task is. So set a timer. Set a timer for whatever time you have. Here's what I do. I set a timer for 10 minutes and I just engage. As it says on the cards that you get when you join GTD Focus Coaching, step 5, simply do. That's what I do. I just go for it. I don't necessarily think in terms of priorities or areas of focus. I just try to engage for whatever time I have, 5, 10, 15 minutes. But I set a timer so that I don't lose that sense of time. And when I'm done, I stop. Then I take the win. I don't engage in any negative self-talk around, well, this has been on my list for long enough, or, well, that wasn't a very significant task, or that didn't move the needle enough. I don't do any of that. I congratulate myself on the work I got done. And then the next time I have another 10 minutes, the next time I have another 5 minutes, I open back up my lists and I simply do again and again and again. And slowly that sense of time can be built up. You can get an internal sense if you practice of what a 2-minute task is. And if that isn't working for you, what you can do is get a habit built to just set a timer. Just set it, engage, forget it.